I'm Zoe Lyn from Zoe Lyn Racing. You guys haven't seen me in a really long time. I bet you've been wondering, well, what has she been up to? I'ma show you. So, what I've been up to is building this beautiful 1999 Gen 1 Toyota Tacoma truck because I just got my driver's license. Check it out! We did all the bodywork and the mechanical work. Look at the beautiful candy apple blue. Let me show you how we did it. This was the truck when we first got it. It had been sitting for 15 years. It was a total mess. We started with the mechanical work, first the front brakes, then the rear brakes. We also did the timing belt, the water pump, the radiator, and the hoses. I want to give a huge shout out to Mark over at Fresh Start Custom Coatings for joining the Zoe Lyn team and sandblasting my wheels. Usually we would do the wheels last, but for this project we got to do them first so we can move the truck in and out of the shop. This was great practice to paint before paint day. And look how amazing they turned out. Look how great they look on the truck. The worst part of this project was having to do the framework. It was so bad we almost scrapped the project altogether. But luckily we found this amazing kit that we were able to pair with another to tack it on, and I had the Zoe Lyn team help me weld it together. The bodywork wasn't as bad as the frame. It just needed new rockers and quarter panels. We ended up just fabricating these out of steel instead of buying new ones. Now for the artsy part. It's time for filler. Now the fun part is over. Now it's just sanding. We sanded and sanded and sanded. We literally sanded for days. Now a coat of black primer sealer, followed by a quick wet sand. Then finally, we got to our first coat of paint, which is Tropical Glitz Abyss Black. After the black coat, it was time for our Tropical Glitz Seductive Blue Candy Base Coat. Literally the most beautiful paint I've ever seen. Our last step for painting was 2 coats of SPI Euro Clear. It made it so shiny, it literally looks like a mirror. Then was on to wet sanding and buffing. I don't even want to talk about it. A huge shout out to the Zoe Lyn team for helping me put the truck bed back into place. We redid the entire front of the truck. We got new headlights, a new grille, and shout out to Suburban Accents for wrapping the front bumper black. We then installed the bull bar with its LED lights, and then the off-road bumper, tail lights, and new slider. This is the finished result. I can't believe how amazing this truck turned out. I feel so lucky that this gets to be my first car. I've already got so many compliments from everyone how great it looks. The coolest part about this truck is that I built it as a mini-me to this awesome 22 Ram 2500. You've been watching Zoe Lyn Racing, where you got to see this truck's amazing transformation. There will be more videos like this coming soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye!